Ever had a craving for lead? Let's start at the beginning. Lead is a poison and very dangerous. It can damage the nerve system, interfere with blood formation and the development of intelligence. But you probably already knew that. You also know that lead exposure must remain below the limit value. So let's not even get started on the fatal legal consequences that you as an installer could face. So what now? It's simple. The lead has to be eliminated. That's why Sanha uses fittings made of a completely lead-free copper alloy. This alloy is also called Cusi, or silicone bronze, and it is just as reliable, resistant to dezincification, and cost-effective as conventional materials. Except that it is not toxic. Sounds good? It is! Contact us! Sanha, always a perfect fit.